This new camera is going to be a game changer for helping our family document our boat life adventures. Hi kitty girl. Yeah. Hi kitty girl. Whoa! Woo!
Meet the new Insta360 GO Ultra, a tiny yet mighty 4K camera.
We're currently in the process of buying a boat to take our family along America's Great Loop, a 6,000 nautical mile journey along the eastern US and Canada. And in the process, we want to document our entire journey and feature it on our YouTube channel in the form of boat life episodes, boat projects, and feature the destinations along the way.
Prior to kids, we documented everything, like mundane moments, walking around new cities, to trying out new restaurants, to even adventurous activities like hiking and skiing, snowboarding, skydiving, you name it, we try to document it. But now that we have kids, trying to document life's precious moments is even more important to us. We are well aware that we are in the good old days right now. I read something recently that said for the majority of your kids' lives, you know them as adults, and that really stuck with me. And knowing that this time in our lives, in the grand scheme of things, is so short, makes me want to hold on to these memories and moments forever.
Our hands are constantly full with babies, bags, car seats, toys, you name it, we're carrying it, and it's quite a challenge to add a camera into the mix. But now with this little guy right here, it changes things a bit. So this is the size of the camera itself, which is smaller than your AirPods. And this is its home, the Action Pod, which I'll get into more detail later in this video. But this thing is just so small and lightweight, and I don't even really notice it when it's on my head. I simply just attach it to my hat via the clip here and just go about my day wearing my hat as usual. And then when there's a moment that I want to capture, I just flip my head backwards, hit the record button, and then pick up anything that I need, or if I need to carry the kids or lug everything to the boat or the beach, I can do so with this recording and just capture from my real perspective wherever my head is facing. I'm capturing that in real time. We started noticing that our son Wyatt is aware of the iPhone when we're taking pictures and videos of him, especially with our big mirrorless camera, and it kind of takes away or distracts him from capturing that authentic moment. But with this, since this is so small and discreet, and there's a kid mode on it that turns off the recording lights as well as the beeps or vibrations, he doesn't really even notice it, which allows us to get those true organic moments that we all wish we had.
Look, Poppy truck. Poppy truck.
It looks kind of like Poppy's truck.
Whoa.
Being hands-free will also allow us to get high-quality videos during hectic times on the boat as well, whether it be my hands at the helm or realistically Kevin's, my hands getting the lines, or both of us just hanging out with the kids. All we have to do is hit record and it's one less thing to worry about.
If you've seen our day in the life episode, then you know I love watching docking videos on YouTube. So I can't wait to incorporate this little camera into our videos to try and get unique shots and new perspectives, taking our videos to the next level. Okay, so let's talk specs here. This thing can shoot 4K 60 frames per second, which is crazy for a camera this size. It does have a pure video feature or function as well, which gives you the ability to film in low light. And then this has a magnetic backing plate, so you don't really need a selfie stick or a tripod. You can just adhere this to any metal surface. I use this at my sister's art studio to capture the entire moment with everyone around. I just stuck it to a metal rod that she had in her studio and was able to film the entire thing, which is cool. The battery life is roughly 70 minutes on this little guy, and then when you include it in the Action Pod, it extends that battery life up to 200 minutes. And this thing actually serves as kind of has a lot of features actually. It is a remote for it, so you can control to the record with the buttons on here. It also is your preview screen, so it has an LED screen right here as well, and you can use that kind of as like a remote screen to make sure you got the proper angle of your shot. And lastly, it serves as a charging station for the camera itself. And this thing has a fast charge feature which gets you from 0 to 80% in 12 minutes, which is really important because if you're using this and the battery dies, you only need to wait 12 minutes to charge it back up. Really, really nice. It does come with additional features. So this is like the mounting clip if you did want to put it onto a tripod or a selfie pole. And then you also have my favorite, which is the clip that I use on the hat. This comes with the camera itself. And this is entirely waterproof as well, but the action pod is not waterproof. So don't make the mistake. Only the small little camera is waterproof. And lastly, they made a huge upgrade with the ability to remove the SD cards, which I like because I just think it's easier from a storage and file management perspective.